Please like, share, and subscribe. In today's video, we're going to make our own hand cream and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Why make your own? Well, this recipe contains ingredients with an abundance of health and beauty benefits. It's deeply moisturizing, supporting cell repair and wrinkle reduction. It can also soothe agonizing skin issues such as eczema and psoriasis. And of course, making your own can be easier on the pocketbook. But more importantly, they don't contain the added preservatives and toxins that can be found in many manufactured products. Ingredients are simple and natural, and best of all, many can be found in your cupboards. All right, let's get to it. First, we need 1 4-ounce glass jar. 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a lightweight moisturizer. It balances oil production and is a natural astringent. It supports collagen restoration and skin cell repair. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is an intense moisturizer. It absorbs quickly and is an antioxidant and antifungal. It can support wrinkle reduction and soothe skin issues such as eczema and psoriasis. 2 tablespoons of shea butter. Shea butter is a deep moisturizer and supports inflammation reduction. 2 tablespoons of beeswax. Beeswax is a natural moisturizer, is antibacterial, and supports inflammation reduction. 30 drops of your preferred essential oil. Essential oils I like to use is lavender, YLANG, and lemongrass. 15 drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender can induce calm and relaxation. It's an antioxidant, antibacterial, antifungal, and a natural bug repellent. It also supports inflammation reduction and blood circulation. 5 drops of YLANG essential oil. YLANG supports inflammation reduction and blood circulation. It can reduce stress and anxiety, increase energy, support the libido, and soothe the skin. 10 drops of lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass is a natural cleanser and deodorizer. It has antiseptic properties, is an antioxidant, and also a natural bug repellent. It can reduce stress and anxiety and supports blood circulation and inflammation reduction. First, combine grapeseed oil, coconut oil, shea butter, and beeswax in a double boiler. As the water heats, the ingredients will start to melt. Stir occasionally. When all ingredients are completely melted, let cool. Then add 15 drops of lavender, 5 drops of YLANG, and 10 drops of lemongrass essential oils. Pour mixture into a 4-ounce glass jar and let harden. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Remember, store in a cool, dry place. Use within 6 months for best moisturizing and scent benefits. Thanks for watching. And remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.